Get a check from Simon. Once Simon gets back, we will be ready to race on the tone. Your order on the tone is going to be Joe on the tone, then Frank, Evan, Jerry, Connor, Mike, Sam, Daniel, Simon, Dane, and Cody. All right, marshals ready, racing's ready. Joe, Frank, Evan, Jerry, Connor, Mike, Sam, Daniel, Simon, Dane, Cody. Down in the gutter here, a couple of guys down in the gutter, caution on the way into race control, please. Here, I'll turn around and pump a couple off the shoulder there. We go Evan Rose, coming down the street, and across the loop, going into the playground. Down doing the same. We got some really good racing out there right now. Joe Lentag still in the lead with Evan Rose and Connor Marshall in the 3 spot. Followed by Dane, Daniel, Mike, Simon, Sam, Cody, Frank, and Jerry. But Jerry down to speed grind. Al Williams with the caution at the end of Power Range Speed Hill. Evan, that's right. Cody Wilson for race control. Stopper. 1:43 in. 360 left to go. Caution on the straight. We got Mike Van Allen on his list.
Thank you.
Our people outside going to hear a broken on there. Wilson's broken. Check Cody Wilson and be alright. She's fine to you, Daryl. Don't worry about it, Cody. We were talking about you. I think Alan, honestly, at the end of the big jump. 2:30 in, 2:30 left to go. Evan Rose, Joe Lentag, Connor Marshall. I don't want to say Connor Marshall at the same time. Dean Holney in the 4th, Sam, Daniel, Mike, Simon, Frank, Cody, Jerry. Evan Rose on a 14.515. Joe Lentag on a 14.521. Connor 13.506. Dane 13.506.
Fuck.
Sam 13.515. Daniel 13.515. There you are. Simon 12.508, Cody 12.516, Jerry 12.518, and Frank in the 10th spot with a 12.520 so far. Evan still holding on to the lead. We got a fast lap out there, 21.3 from Joe Lentag. Cautionary race control, bringing to that jump. Thank you very much. So, Evan Rose is your top qualifier right now, followed by Joe Lentag, Connor Marshall, Dave Holney, Mike Allen, and Ben Neal splitting the difference at the 6th spot. Patrick Fox still holding on to some sweet action in the 57. Somebody down in front of race control, Cody Wilson. He starts scooping down. Still 1 minute left to go here, guys.
1 minute left.
Joe Lentag across the line. Up over some of the kids' tables in the speed line. One more table in the waterfall. So they just sort of quick over Power HT 15 seconds left to go. I like to call this danger row with all those jumps that people would
7, 6,
take it out of
5,
off track.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Keep racing until you hear your name. Try to stay off the line with the other guys behind you that have completed their races, or completed the rounds, or runs.
Daniel done. Tater done. Craig Bortolazzo done. Connor Marshall done. The Meatman done.
Stay off the racing line until you hear your name.
Joseph Tag done. 7 Lee done.
We got Daniel, Jerry, and Cody still racing out there.
Cook done.
Daniel crosses the line, Jerry crosses the line. Cody Wills sliding in.
I think you got that one. Nice job.
All drivers
The car was really stable.
Thanks.
Thanks.